Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you location of the fuse box or junction box on 2016 Jeep Patriot. This is gonna be the same location on Jeep Patriots made from 2007 and all the way up to 2017. To locate your fuse box on 2016 Jeep Patriot, you will have to open the hood and then check on the driver's side and find this box. So right under this cover you will see your fuses. To open it up you will have to push these two pins and then pull the cover up. And now you can see your fuses. On the back side of the cover you have fuses numbers, and if you are looking for specific fuse you can use your user guide book for your Jeep Patriot, and the fuses are on the page 127, so you can check all the fuses you have, and there is on other page as well. If you're looking for specific fuse you can check the number and location of the fuse. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.